Hi everybody, welcome to Fast Home Brew. I'm making Galactipa again. Oh, yes, hooray! It is. Oh, this is competition edition Galactipa number 4. So this will be basically the first time I've ever, I think, made something exactly the same as I did the time before. Because I'm going to enter this one into the brewing competition, which is coming up soon, and I'm timing it. Here I am getting my water ready the night before again. I'm timing it so that it's just got that nice little burn at the back of your throat when the judges ought to be tasting it. So I got to do it exactly right. So here is my grains. As I said, it's exactly the same as last time. What was that? I'm glad you asked. It is 91.3% Maris Otter. Oh, actually, Cooper's Schooner. 4.4% Caramalt and 4.4% Dark Crystal. I'm aiming for an OG of something I can't see right now. 1.06, and here we are. Oh, I had some dough balls in this one, so I'm breaking them up against the side of the What's-It, and I think I'm pretty sure I might have got even a couple of more gravity points on that one, so that's good, I guess. So this is going to mash for an hour while I head off and do some things, and it was a really cold day. Turned out I lost some temperature, and I'm also discovering that the temperature in the middle here is hotter than the temperature on the outside. Which makes sense if you think about it, but I was surprised how well the thermometer picked up the difference. But anyway, grain bag's coming out of the thing, and there's my clip, and then I guess what's next? Oh, yep, heat goes on, then we sparge, and in fact, if I remember, this one got 2 sparges because it's a lot more grains than usual, so the second sparge there ought to account for the loss to absorption. So there's a lot going back in while I wait for it to come up to boil. This is my other thermometer. I used like 3 thermometers in the whole process. Anyway, we're boiling now. I'm going to use all these timers. One for an hour, one for 30, one for 15, 5 minutes, because there's a lot. Anyway, Galaxy hops. First off, my bittering edition is 40 grams, and that goes in at the 30-minute mark to get me about 47 IBUs, hopefully. Then, remember when I said I'm doing it exactly the same? Well, I lied. This one is that's my 5-minute edition, which I'm going to get 23 IBUs from. That one's 1.5 grams a litre. And then finally I'm doing one 10 minutes post flame out, which is 60 grams, which is about 2 grams a litre. So there's me pretending to put in the 5-minute edition, but my timer had gone off and I lost the camera, so I had to reenact it. That's an hour up, and then finally 10 minutes after flame out, here goes the there goes the last one in the go. Alright, so that's going to sit there for a little bit and soak in nicely, or whatever it does. There's a chair going past as I get my sample, which is looking very nice, and time for it to all go into the cube. So up she goes, filling in, and this one didn't quite fill up to 27 litres in the cube, so I had to squeeze quite a bit of air out of this compared to, I guess I didn't quite account for all the absorption. Maybe that's why I got extra gravity points in it as well. But anyway, that's pretty good. So yeah, we're all done. This is Galactipa number 4 competition edition. And boy, do I hope this one turns out well. USO5 yeast, and I dry hopped it. I've already done it with, this is Galactipus. This is this batch of Galactipus, which is made by the Little Bang Brewery, may actually contain exactly the same hops, because I got those hops cheap from that brewery when they overbought, and maybe their Galactipus, which is a barley wine, has called so because of the same tribute to the hops. But anyway, 225 grams, which is I think 9 grams a litre, went in dry. I'm being silly. Thanks very much for watching.